Section 11.2.RA-1. Suppose a researcher wants to conduct research to determine if car rental company X is more expensive than car rental company Y to rent a mid-sized car for a weekend. To do this, he randomly selects 6 locations where both car rentals are located and determines the rental cost as shown in the table. Okay, now the question states that suppose the researcher computes the difference as x minus y. Based on this, determine the null and the alternative hypothesis. Now, the parameter of interest is the mean difference in car rental cost. When determining the direction of the alternative hypothesis, consider that the goal of the research is to determine if x is more expensive than y. To show this is true, determine what sign is expected for the difference x minus y. Finally, the statement of no difference is that the two companies charge the same price on average. If this is the case, determine the value of the population mean difference and be sure to type integers or decimals. So in this example, it's already telling us what the claim is at the very beginning. It's saying that determine if the car rental company X is more expensive than the car rental company Y. So we should be able to determine what is the null and what is the alternative. Okay, so in this scenario, we want to be able to find the mean difference. So when we're talking about the mean difference, we're looking at the population mean difference. So we have U subscript D. Now, the claim is always the alternative, and it says determine if the car rental company X is more expensive than car rental company Y. So that means you want to know if the mean difference is going to be greater than 0. And the null always contains the equality, so it would be the mean difference, and that's going to equal 0. And so therefore, there is your null and your alternative hypothesis.